I broke my mom's vase. It was an accident. I was playing with my ball inside the house. The ball hit the vase and it fell. It broke into pieces. I was scared. I didn't want my parents to be mad at me. I saw my friends outside. I ran to them. I told them the vase broke. I said it was their fault. I said the ball was theirs. They looked confused. They didn't know what to say. When my parents came home, I told them the story. I said my friends broke the vase. My parents were upset. They went outside to talk to my friends and their parents. My friends looked sad. Their parents looked worried. Later, I felt bad. I knew it wasn't right to blame my friends. I went to my parents. I told them the truth. I said it was my fault. I was sorry for lying. My parents looked at me. They were still a little mad, but they were proud that I told the truth. My friends forgave me. Their parents forgave me too. I learned that lying makes things worse. Telling the truth is always better.